And there you go. Should be able to hear me. Great, thanks. So, hello. Welcome. Feel free to ask me. Awesome. So let's see if we get people to join. And we should be live. Hope everyone is doing well, by the way. And yeah, you should be able to hear me. Let's see if I can get this a bit bigger. Trim settings. I can't. That's too bad. Oh, there you go. Get this bigger. And there you go. It's the best I can do. Awesome. So let's see. My first time here on TradingView, so please be patient with me. Again, it's my first time, and then we can take a look at many things. As always, using the Elliott Wave Theory. Happy to answer questions if you do have. We can take a look at major indices. Take a look at major stocks. US stocks. Take a look at gold. You can take a look at whatever you guys want. As I type in the chat, happy to know what you guys want to see. Again, you should be able to hear me, but if you want to, just let me know. Double check. That would be nice. So again, there we go. So I'm just notifying my members that I'm live, and then I'll get started. Great. So what do we have here? Looks pretty bad, doesn't it? Quality isn't great. Not gonna lie. It's not nice, but fortunately there's not much more I can do about it. Oops. Sorry. I just knew with this. Please deal with me. Awesome. And there we go. So there we go. Perfect. So what do we have here? So let's take a look at it. So my main positions are in here. Okay. I was curious into here, International Exchange, and I was looking for a. Oh, that's interesting. For something like this, risk just a little. It was an interesting setup that I was looking for further upside here. After 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into a 3. So my new menu at 3. Nice target would be here. So that could be the target. Not gonna lie. That could be the target for it. And it's the averages. Because I also saw that we stand at equality of potential -3, so black free, and it wasn't. I'm very confused. Oh, I think I might be mistaken with something else. My bad. But we did break through at 61.8. So actually, something like this could actually work out. I wouldn't be surprised. And again, if you have any questions, guys, you want me to ask, anything you want me to take a look at, just ask. No worries at all. I'll just be talking. Obviously, these are not financial. It's not a financial advice. Just as always, analyzing me using the Elliott Wave Theory, and it looks actually pretty decent. Let me check if I have. What do we have here? Apologize if you hear like weird noises, but it's my chair. Don't. But it looks quite interesting. Oh God, it's going so fast. I mean, we're kind of here. It did look quite interesting at the time. Now it just keeps moving higher. Never mind, I guess. Anyways, I think it could play out. Guess we're gonna have to find out. So let's take a look here. So in the Nasdaq, I don't remember if I did post it here on TradingView. Oh God, my apologies for the noises if you can hear them. Just a very noisy chair. But it does look like we just completed some sort of wave A, also by the degree of descent that we had, quite sharp, very common for wave A. And now we could be pulling back into wave 4. So yeah, I'm not surprised if August, even a few weeks into September, will be correcting. We hit wave 3 target by the dollar, which was at 1.618 times 3. This 3 against 1. So that's perfect relationships. Now just gonna have to see how it's gonna play out. But so far so good. Did we break all-time high? Not yet. But let's looking for this wave 4. Not sure if it's going to be sideways, as I'm not sure whether this wave 2 classifies as sideways or sharp. Kind of looks sideways, to be honest. So even a sharp correction could do. I do expect it to get around here. Usually one thing I do is I look for equality of wave 2 and 4. So equality stands here at 14,400. At around 15,000, we have 0.618, which is also a very common target for wave 4, for the length of wave 4 in relations to wave 2. So that is also something that can be investigated. But overall, here, yeah, we're just gonna have to wait. But ideally, this area is the area of support. what else? Dow Jones. I'm very bullish on the Dow Jones. I've been long for quite some time now. This also looks like a 3-wave pullback, so I would expect further upside here. So yeah, still looking bullish for the time being. What's this? HV. Yeah, starting to get some sort of RSI divergence. So we'll see. We might be near completion of this wave 3. Let's see. Post equality. Yeah, we could be near the completion of it. And let's see. Let's see how it's gonna play out. We can be near the bottom, the top. I mean, not the top, but we could get a pullback at some point here. 1, 2, 3. Hard to count, to be honest. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, it could actually be 3. I don't know. But so, I mean, what I do know, at least I think I know, is that this still looks bullish. This could even work out. What else? So yeah, been long ever since around here. And if we do get a larger pullback, I'll be looking for additional longs. It's never a bad thing. NASDAQ, we talked about it. The S&P, similar to the NASDAQ, but it looks a bit less. I'm not sure here on the S&P, to be honest. But I do expect some sort of a pullback, but still, I don't have a clear picture of it. And then the DAX just, I'm a bit confused by it. It could be some sort of, leading diagonal here into higher degree wave 1. At this point, that's what I will look for. What else here? Keeps moving higher. Looks like a solid trade, to be honest. So yeah, I have these open positions here. Our device is looking for, still not sure wave 2 is completed right here. Looks a bit too short, so I am allowing for the possibility of further downside here. Something like this. And then Costco just keeps moving higher. Might get some sort of a larger pullback. But we broke this point, which gives me additional confirmation. So at this point, I could even move my stop right here. So that's where I think the low for this wave 4 stands. So I'm gonna have to see about that. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, actually, I'm still bullish. I still have a bullish view on it. The wave count suggests we could still be looking for further upside. I was prepared that we could have gone a bit lower. Now, however, I would like to see upside resumption as we stand within the box. Yeah, so we're gonna have to see it. maybe by the end of the week we do have a clear view. And then here on Monster, so far so good. I've been looking for upside into this wave 3. I've had long, so I rushed on buying. My mistake. I bought a bit, not at the best price, right there. Ideally, I could have gotten a better entry, but it happens. So looking for upside here. So far, so good. And let's dive in a bit closer. So ideally, first target for wave 3 stands here at 60. So let's see if we get there. Could be some sort of 1, 2. So a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I'm wondering. If we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. But that would mean wave 3 would be the shortest. Yes. So I don't like that. How about an alternate would be, this is 1, 2. But not sure, to be honest. I think I need to see further developments. Because I don't like to say something when I'm not sure what I'm seeing. So I'm going to have to wait. That being said, let's see. What else can we take a look at? So yeah, if you have any questions, by the way, feel free to let me know. So this looks like a point where we could get a bit of we could breathe and get a bit of a pullback, to be honest. It looks like we cut 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Looks like we could get some sort of a pullback now. Let's see. Oh, gold also very similar. Been forecasting this upside, and now I'm not sure, but I do expect some sort of a pullback, and then we could continue lower. But EU, what's dollar doing? Dollar's a pretty resist, yeah. I would be expecting something like that. But I checked here. Don't really like the discount, to be honest. I mean, it's a better shot that this is actually a triangle here in wave B and ends here, and perhaps this is a 1, 2, or even wave C completed. So we're gonna have to see, but I checked here, and because the main problem with this not being a wave one, is that this piece here looks like a three-wave move. I could not count 5. Therefore, that's why I would be expecting potentially maybe it could be something like this. And either at this point, either wave C is completed, a very short one, or we've just completed wave 1. And then we could get up here. I'm actually gonna go with this count, which I like better. So yeah, kindly. So let's see. Do Nifty. Yeah, sure, man. We'll do. So let's take a look at the Nifty as we get here. So the Nifty. But yeah, so just briefly summing up here, look either for a wave C completed or else wave 1 of C completed. So the Nifty, let's see, I haven't taken a look in it for a long time. So, but it looks like it is moving as expected. So let me zoom out so I can refresh it. So I had a 1, 2. That's a bit suspicious. 60, 30, 30, 40. Okay, so this is a bit suspicious, not going to lie. So here on the Nifty, what looks good about it? Okay, then we did have 1.618 here. Okay, so let's assume this count is correct. So if we look for equality, this would be the target here. If you look for equality of 5 against 1, so that would be the target. So let's go to the daily. So we can see here potential 1, 2. So at this point, this would be how much? 1.27. Okay, a bit too much. 5. Or else, how about this? PC. So there's two options I see. One is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll just do this. So let me do this. So one is just this, and the other one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's call this, let's call it flat 2. Let's call this simple 2. So what's the difference? So in terms of direction, as you can probably see, Naresh, not really much, because we're both looking for upside. And as we mentioned, a potential target for this wave 5 would be here at 37,500. And why did I label it like this? Because I see a 3-wave move, a 3-wave move, and either a 3, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Could squeeze this as 5-wave move in a diagonal. What I like about this is we would have the relationship, the fib relationship would be almost 61.8 of, let's call it A, B, C. So let me actually, so this A, B, C would be almost, wave C would be almost 1.8% of wave A, which is a common fib relationship. So that's something in favor. And then in favor of this, I don't particularly like this. This wave B, how long it is, but it's still possible. So now, I mean, looking for upside either way. So we are close to potential resistance. So we might get at some point soon. By soon, I mean could happen in weeks. Could get some sort of a pullback, and at that point, a bit of a larger pullback. And at that point, you may look for longs or do whatever you want. But that's what I would do. So if you have any other question on it, just let me know. Or if any of you guys more questions, just let me know. Okay. So that's about it for the Nifty. What else have we got? Nvidia doesn't want to move lower. Seems Apple moving as expected. Keep moving higher here as well. Dow Jones still doesn't seem to be wanting to move higher. Okay. What else have we got? Any other questions? Just let me know, guys. You're welcome, Naresh. So, what else have we got? How's ICE that we looked at at the beginning of the stream. Where was it? Was a potential trade? Oh, look at it. We looked at this in the beginning of the stream. Look at it. Looking for this wave 4 position in a triangle. D, E. I would have entered, but I do not. I checked. I do not have it on my broker, so unfortunately, broker can enter. Scratch strike. Okay, a bit of confusion here, to be honest. Only way I can see this in positive is been pretty ugly leading diagonal, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which again, pretty ugly, as I just said. But nevertheless, possible. So that would be something. Let's see. Octa, still not what I want to see. Deer here, moving as expected. What else have we got here? Oh, look at this. UL back up. Even though this doesn't look impulsive, does it? I don't know. Guess we had earnings. Yes. Surprise. That's good. 15 cents per share. That's pretty good. 10%. It's pretty good. Oh, look at Spotify. I was expecting this. What's this new? Yes. I was expecting this. It did look like it was about to top any time. And it did. So now we can wait and see. We can wait and see what is going to happen. Now this is going to play out. It's going to be a 3-wave move or a 5-wave move. So yeah, let's find out. Find out about that. Again, any questions, just let me know, guys. That's big. That's 11%, $20 a share. It's quite a lot. Okay. What else? JP Morgan. Oh, PayPal also has been looking. It's been moving interestingly. Looking for a potential 5-wave move completed. Looking for a pullback, and then we might see further upside. At that point, here. What else have we got? Dow Jones. So if this low is going to hold, it needs to do it now because equality has been reached. So if this one to hold, which it doesn't look like it wants to. All right. Let's see, anything else? What else do we got? What else can we look at? I feel like this could be it, guys. Let me know if you have any more questions, anything you want to take a look at. I'll be happy to. Yeah, take a look at whatever you guys want. Oh, look at this. Okay, guys, so I think I'm gonna call it a day. Just wanted to try this out. Do this extra session, which is not usual, but hope you'll either rewatch it or it was awful. So yeah, thank you for those joined. Thank you if you're gonna watch it again. But yeah, it's been good, and you guys take care. Have a good rest of the day, guys.